Avant AI is a groundbreaking cognitive computing technology that enhances human capabilities by providing context to vast volumes of unstructured data. Based on advanced reasoning and learning systems, Avant AI technologies use deep learning and neural networks to function similarly to the human brain. To accurately identify visual objects, Avant AI employs an advanced semantic segmentation engine, making it crucial for applications such as autonomous driving, security drone operation, and even computer-assisted medical procedures. Avant AI also has the capability to predict worst-case scenarios based on statistical data, ensuring optimal safety and efficiency for vehicles, drones, and robots. With its advanced security system, Avant AI can detect and predict potential hardware, network, and software problems to ensure continued safe operation. Avant AI is the future of AI technology and will bring important changes to our daily lives, from medicine to responsive robots for commercial and personal use. For more information, visit our website at gbtti.com.